So I'm here at the Timewell Illinois Lions Club Farm Toy Show, and if you guys are free like in late June of the year, you should just come over here for the day. Because one, they have all these great antique tractors. Look at this 70 Oliver with the cultivator. How cool is that? And then they've always got a couple really neat V8s. There's some local guys here, I think, that are really into that, and those are always super cool. Couple little engines here. But the toy show is great here. It's a small show, but it's like a really great crowd that comes here. And it's definitely worth our time to set up for sure. We always enjoy coming here. This is our first year setting up, but we've visited this show, I don't know, at least 20 years, I would say. Maybe more. Gosh, look at that Massey 50 over there. That's a beauty too. We've even got some garden tractors here. Big John Deere 430 and a 318. Boy, you could push some snow with this guy here, couldn't you? Check out the AC. 180, got the big chrome pipe on there. That's cool. 660 Oliver. This 4020 really caught my eye. When we pulled in yesterday, I got the steps to make it easy to get on and off. Take a look at the other side of this. Alice here. Very cool. And then a 660. Super M. I'm actually a little bit familiar with the Super M. I've driven a Super M before when I was younger. We used to put up hay with those. We used to pull the wagon. And or straw, really. Good looking deer. I love the spoke wheels on these. I just think that's such a cool look. I don't know, just kind of a good classic look. Let's take a look at the opposite side of this 4020. The big ROPS bar here. Of course, I think every farm at some point had a 4020. I know we had a couple. Obviously great tractors. Still got one. Look at this 1466 with duals. This has got to be one of the coolest tractors. White stripe, of course, got the weights to match. Big chrome pipe. I got to make a toy just like this, basically. See what these wheels are on here. So this is a metric. It's a 460 85 38 dual. I mean, those are brand spanking new tires. Look at that thing. Absolutely beautiful. Got the Fender radio over there. Alright, kind of squeeze through the back row real quick. That 2640 Deere is cool. Here's a big old A. Check out the Oliver 70 here. I mean, it's just immaculate. I mean, absolutely perfect. And you got the Super 55. That's a great looking tractor. That'd be fun to play around on, wouldn't it? And then you got the big 70. 70 is for sale, by the way, if you guys, need a 70. And then Super 77. And we got some 1655, and we're going to check out this mini mow down here, too. 750. How cool is that? And then we've got the cockshut to kind of complete the set, I guess, if you will. 1655. You don't see a whole lot of cockshuts around here, so it's really cool to see. And then an 1850. And a 1750. And then I was really shocked to see this 2470. This is such a cool tractor, isn't it? Crab steer and all that sort of thing. That's really neat. So there's a parade later today, assuming it's not raining. And I'll try to get out and get some picture and video of that as well. Check out the 4320. Got the turbo cleaner on there. And then you've got another 4320. And this is still used, so that's pretty cool. As you can see there, Alex Kerr, some of you guys in the John Deere circles probably know him. He restores a lot of great looking tractors. He did, I took a picture here of a 6030 a few years back that was pretty popular that he restored, so let's get another view here of the Traction King. Just kind of a cool, unique tractor, especially around here. And then you got the big 1150 Massey. Anyway, there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video.